In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a notebook in OneNote if you want to keep your notes organized and make your notebooks easier to find. Renaming them is a simple but very helpful step. This is especially useful if you have several notebooks for different projects, classes, or areas of work, and you want the names to be more clear and consistent. To get started, open the OneNote desktop app and make sure the notebook you want to rename is already open. It's important to begin inside the correct notebook so you can update the right one without confusion. Once you have OneNote open and your notebook visible, you're ready for the next step. Now, go to the top left corner of the OneNote window and click on File. This will take you away from the main note-taking view and open the File menu, where you can access settings and notebook-related options. If you're not used to working in this area of OneNote, don't worry. Everything you need for this task is only a few clicks away. After that, look for Settings and click it to open the drop-down menu. This section gives you access to additional options for managing your notebook. Take your time here and make sure you choose the correct menu item, since this is where the notebook details can be adjusted. From the drop-down, select Properties. This opens the Notebook Properties window where you can view and edit certain information related to the notebook. The key thing you're looking for here is the Display Name field. This is the name that appears inside OneNote, so updating it can make your workspace much easier to navigate. In the Display Name box, type the new name you want for your notebook. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might want to rename a notebook to match a current project, a school subject, or a personal category. Once you've entered the preferred name, click OK to save the change. That's it. Your notebook should now display the updated name in OneNote. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a moment or click back into your notebook view to confirm that the new name has been applied. Renaming notebooks regularly can help keep your notes neat, especially as your collection grows over time. And as you can see, in OneNote, it only takes a few simple clicks to do it.